Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong December 16 to 31, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And if you're interested sa Money Bowl, available din to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. So let's see, Sag. Ano yung energy update for you? December 16 to 31. For Sagittarius. December 16 to 31. Okay. So, this is your overall energy. You have the Justice card. This is finding the truth, no? Katotohanan. Decision making din to. So, maaring meron kang very important na pagdidesisyonan ngayong second half ng December kung alin yung sa tingin mo makakabuti para sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo related to sa past relationship. Okay? Let us see what is the Justice card. What is the Justice card? Okay, the Devil. Yeah, I think this is related to a toxic situation in the past. Yung iba, pwedeng nare-realize nyo, parang naliliwanagan na kayo, no? Sa situation na meron kayo. If this is no longer making your life better, no? There's a lot of temptation para sa iba sa inyo, Sagittarius. I think ito na yung time na marirealize mo na ano yung mabuti, ano yung makabuti sa'yo, ano yung hindi. So, some of you are going to let go of those na alam mong hindi na makakabuti for you. Okay? You know the difference. Kumbaga, decided ka na. As your challenge, you have the Six of Cups. Can be person from the past, merong babalik. Pwedeng ito yung toxic relationship, toxic situation in the past na nahihirapan kang i-let go. Someone is still holding on to someone. So, pwedeng the other person nag-hold on pa sa'yo, maaring may mga promises na binibigay, but pwede kasing naging cycle na to, tong toxic situation ninyo, na ngayon parang you are trying to find the answers na actually yung iba sa inyo undecided eh. Oo. Some of you pwedeng bibigyan nyo pa ng chance. Okay? Syempre nasa sa inyo pa rin naman yan if you're going to give this person a chance or this situation a chance. But it will be clear, no? Magiging clear sa'yo. I think you're going to take responsibility. Ano man yung maging decision mo. So, your opportunity, King of Pentacles. Money, kaperahan ng opportunity mo. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, meron kayong higher position na opportunity sa career ninyo, may promotion. And some of you are related sa business. So, pwedeng you are growing your business more. You have the Seven of Wands. Maraming competition sa paligid, okay, sa business ninyo. Pero, kahit na merong competition, kaya mo siyang mapagtagumpayan. No? You will rise above this competition. Kasi, pwede kasing ito yung tipong, halimbawa, nag-start ka ng negosyo. Tapos, parang maraming mai-insecure sa'yo dun sa business mo na yon dahil pwedeng makukumpetensya mo sila. Alam mo yun. So, this may create some tension around you, but if you're going to focus on your goals in terms of your career, your business, whatever this is na you want to be on top of your game, hindi ka nila matatalo. Oo. So, your blessing is the Ace of Swords. Ayan, new ideas. New creative ideas are opening up for you. Nine of Cups, this is self-fulfillment. Wish fulfillment. Yung iba sa inyo may mga travel opportunities pa ngayong second half ng December. I also see you vacationing, no? Magbabakasyon ka somewhere sa island or sa isang very tahimik na place wherein makakapag-isip ka. You will gain more clarity. And yan yung blessing sa'yo kasi at least you already know what you want. You know what to do. Alam mo na yung dapat mong gawin because you know what's best for you. Okay? So, let's see what else, Sagittarius. You have the Sun in Capricorn in the 10th house, achievement. So, maaring may recognition sa inyo sa career, sa trabaho, or meron kayong matatapos na project, ma-achieve ninyo something that you will be very proud of sa inyong career, sa inyong business. You have Saturn in Capricorn. Ang daming Capricorn energy sa inyo, Sag. Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong Capricorn placements, especially with the Devil card here. Jupiter is about blessing your career, your business Oo, you are on top of your game. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, you wanna be on top of your game? Yes, you're going to be in control of your career, of your business ngayong second half ng December. You also have Venus in Scorpio in the 8th house, secrets. Marami kang mga matutuklasang secrets, mga bagay na itinago sa'yo ng iba na yan yung magpapalaya sa'yo. This will set you free and this will also help you. Tutulungan ka nito na makapag-decide. Lalo na dun sa mga connections, situations sa buhay mo na medyo unclear, especially in relationships. Okay? Kasi Venus is this is the planet of love. Planet of romance. And yung iba, merong marireveal na secrets. And yung secret na yan will set you free. The truth will set you free. Pagdating sa finances mo, your dream life is manifesting magically. So, kasi mga Sagittarius, very, favored. Favored pagdating sa career or sa kung ano man yung gusto nyong i-pursue. As long as you are focused on that, talagang ini-effortan ninyo. Meron ding mentorship dito, so maaring magsisik kayo ng mentorship from someone who's going to help you improve your knowledge, your skills, or pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, kayo mismo yung mentor. Kayo yung meron kayong opportunity to help others, to share your expertise. Parang magiging teacher, coach, trainer, ganyan. And then, meron ka rin susubukan, i-experiment sa inyong career na maaring yung iba pwedeng papasok kayo sa business na related sa mga chemicals or beauty products, ganyan. Or you will find a solution to an existing problem na pwede mo siyang gawing business. So mag-open up ang isang business opportunity dahil sa isang solusyon na maiisip mo sa isang problema. Oo. So, let's see your love energies. Financial, letting go. Yes, you are letting go of things, relationships, people that you feel like hindi mo na kayang i-work out. Yung iba sa inyo, merong financial issues with a person na connected sa'yo, tipong pwedeng nakaasa sa'yo or you are supporting financially but hindi niya nasusuklian yung pagtulong mo sa kanya. There is a limitation in this connection. So some of you are connecting with someone na may limitations. So I think that's why you're going to set yourself free. Kasi alam mo na hindi ka makakilos sa relationship na yan. Release control. Oh my God. Ito na naman yung pagre-release, letting go. Anything na hindi na serving your highest purpose, you are letting that go. Maaari ring you will encounter emotional situation eh. And from that emotional situations na parang pag-uusap with someone, dun mo marirealize na this is something toxic, I have to let this go. Yes, you are stepping into your own power, Sagittarius. Kasi gusto mo na ikaw yung leader, you are in control. You want to be in control of your life. Hindi the other way around na someone is controlling your life, because it's not gonna work. You have Jupiter in the 5th house in Taurus. Yes, you're going to focus more on becoming more productive, finances, growing your money, becoming more creative, and doing some things na magpapasaya sa'yo ngayong second half ng December. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.